good morning, good evening, good afternoon. So, welcome back to our Learn English with PMI YouTube channel. So, today we are going to discuss about conjunction. So, you know conjunction. Conjunction is a word to connect phrases or sentences or two more sentences. அதாவது conjunction என்பது இரண்டு அல்லது இரண்டுக்கு மேற்பட்ட வசனங்களை இணைப்பதற்காக பயன்படுகின்ற ஒரு வேர்ட், ஒரு சொல். ஸோ டுடே we are going to learn some conjunctions. So let's see. Here conjunction, a word used to connect clauses or sentences. For example, so I have taken some conjunction word here for you today class. So here because, although, whereas, but, besides, unlike, therefore, unless, since, if. So today I have selected 10 conjunctions to learn. So let's see what are the functions of these conjunctions. So the meaning, I think it will be useful for you guys. Because mean ஏனெனில், although ஆனாலும், whereas அதே சமயம், but ஆனால், besides மேலும். So besides have one more meaning in English, in addition to. Beside mean in addition to. Okay, beside means in addition to. Unlike, ஒவ்வாறு, right, போல் அல்லாத, that we have another word for that. Unlike, different from. Different from. The next one is therefore, ஆகையால். Therefore mean ஆகையால். Unless, தவிர, since, ஒன்றின் காரணமாக, if, அப்படியானால். So I think you have understand the meaning of these conjunction words. So let's see some example sentences for these conjunctions. How we are going to use this conjunction in sentences. The first one is because. Because, for example, she usually eat at home because she likes cooking. So there are two sentences. The first one is she usually eats at home is one sentence, is a one sentence. The next sentence is she likes cooking. So now we are going to join these two sentences. That's why we say conjunction use is a word used to connect sentences or clauses. So she usually eat at home because she likes cooking. அவள் வழக்கமாக வீட்டில் சாப்பிடுகின்றாள். Because ஏனென்றால் she likes cooking. அவள் சமைப்பதை விரும்புகின்றாள். அதனால் காரணமாக அவள் வீட்டில் சாப்பிடுகின்றாள். So the second one is although. Although mean I already said to you, ஆனாலும். Although he speaks seldom. Although he speaks seldom. அவன் அரிதாக பேசினாலும் he says meaningful words. அவன் அர்த்தமுள்ள வார்த்தைகளை சொல்கிறான். அரிதாக பேசினாலும் அர்த்தமுள்ள வார்த்தைகளை பேசுகிறான். So although mean ஆனாலும். Although he speaks seldom, he says meaningful words. So here you may ask me why we put this conjunction in center at the beginning of the sentence. So wherever you can put that. It is depend on the sentence pattern. Okay. So the third one is whereas. அதே சமயம். For example, she is very funny whereas she is boring. She is very funny whereas she is boring. So here அவள் she is very funny, எப்பொழுதுமே ஃபன்னியாக இருப்பாள். அதே சமயம் she is boring, போரிங்காகவும் இருப்பாள். Okay. The fourth one is but. For example, I am very hungry but the fridge is empty. I am very hungry but the fridge is empty. நான் பசியாக இருக்கிறேன், மிகவும் பசியாக இருக்கிறேன், ஆனால் the fridge is empty. ஃப்ரிட்ஜில் ஒரு சாமானும் இல்லை. So these two sentences is connected by conjunction. So the fifth one is she speaks 3 languages beside English. So I already said beside means மேலும், in addition to. If I say in another word, in addition to, மேலதிகமாக. So she speaks 3 languages. அவள் 3 மொழிகள் பேசுகிறாள். Besides English, ஆங்கிலத்திற்கு மேலதிகமாக 3 மொழிகள் பேசுகிறாள். So she speaks 3 languages besides English. So you may use in addition to also in this place, right? So she speaks 3 languages in addition to English. Right. Now, unlike. Jack is completely unlike his father. So what is the meaning of unlike? ஒவ்வாறு. அதாவது if I say in another word, different from. So I can say Jack is completely unlike his father, or Jack is completely different from his father. We can use these 2 words, but the meaning is same, okay? So we can use here different from also. Jack is completely unlike his father. Different from. அதாவது ஜாக் முற்றிலுமாக அவனுடைய தந்தையிலிருந்து வேறுபட்டவன். So the next one is therefore. Therefore mean ஆகையால். He came first, therefore he got a good seat. He came first. அவன் முதலாவதாக வந்தான். Therefore ஆகையால் he got a good seat. நல்ல சீட் ஒன்றை பெற்றான். Therefore ஆகையால். So these are the conjunction what we are looking today. So unless, the next one is unless. Unless mean தவிர. You don't need to go unless you want. தவிர. Right? Unless mean தவிர. You don't need to go. நீங்கள் போக தேவையில்லை. Unless you want. உங்களுக்கு தேவையில்லை என்று சொன்னால் போக தேவையில்லை. The next one is since. Since I see you, I am better. So in this sentence we use this conjunction at the beginning of sentence. Since I see you, நான் உன்னை பார்த்ததில் இருந்து என்ற கருத்தை கொடுக்கும் ஒன்றின் காரணமாக, உன்னை பார்த்ததன் காரணமாக. Since I see you, உன்னை நான் பார்த்ததன் காரணமாக I am better or I feel better. நான் மிகவும் நன்றாக உள்ளேன். உன்னை பார்த்ததிலிருந்து நான் மிகவும் நன்றாக உள்ளேன். Since I see you, I am better. So here we used this conjunction at the beginning of sentence. Okay, now we will see the last one. If. Let me know if you go to school. Here at the middle of sentences we put this conjunction. Okay, here let me know. எனக்கு தெரியப்படுத்துங்கள். If you go to school, நீங்கள் பாடசாலைக்கு போனால் எனக்கு தெரியப்படுத்துங்கள். அப்படியானால் போனால் a condition. So let me know if you go to school. So these are the conjunctions. So if I say here, I have said already everything, this all conjunction, we selected 10 conjunction. So first you must know what is the conjunction. A word used to connect clauses or sentences. Clauses also mean sentences, right? So now I hope you will understand how to use these conjunctions. So இப்போ நீங்கள் இந்த கன்ஜங்ஷன் எல்லாவற்றையும் எவ்வாறு ஒரு வசனத்தில் பயன்படுத்த வேண்டும் என்பது உங்களுக்கு விளங்கி இருக்கும். எனவே guys, if you like this video, this lesson, please subscribe our Learn English with PMI YouTube channel. Okay guys, if you like this video or if you like these lessons, please subscribe us in our Learn English with PMI YouTube channel. So please share also more and more. If you have any doubt regarding this section, conjunction, please write in the comment section in our YouTube. So you will get the answer very soon. Thank you very much.